This is going to be a reading for the sign of Pisces. All that I need to know about your person moving forward, feelings, intentions, and where this is going for now. It's going to be for the next 15 days. So let's see. Let's take the reversals for Pisces first. I do not like reversals much, but yeah, that keeps the reading more authentic, I believe. Right now, many of you guys with Three of Pentacles could be working on something. This could be a project, this could be a relationship, this could be anything that you want to nurture and want to move forward. Whereas I believe you guys could have had choices because we have the Lovers card, which tells me that someone is from the past and there's someone from the present. I believe someone you consider your soulmate and someone who's been in and out of your life. So take what resonates. But I usually feel that you guys are very connected with the past person, but the new person seems more like much more practical. Okay, so Pisces for the next 15 days. What is happening? Okay, what is happening with Pisces? With the High Priestess, that's your card. You guys are possibly trying to listen to your intuition, your gut feeling. You guys are also trying to do the right thing. Some of you might not be completely wanting to initiate conversation or start communication. You guys are wanting to hold back a bit. Reason being, you guys are not so sure what you need to do. Okay, one more card for what are Pisces going through. What are Pisces going through? With Six of Cups, you guys are definitely thinking about your soulmate. For some of you, there will be a return of a soulmate. This could be past or new. Majorly, if it's a past person, I believe many of you guys have gone through too much with them, but your heart still misses them. That's the reason why you're still wanting to entertain them, but not exactly sure if you should move forward or hold back. Okay, some of you might meet a total new stranger. Okay, but this is going to be your soulmate as well. Okay, soulmate doesn't have to be someone from the past or past life. I mean, soulmate can be someone new who's meant to possibly take you ahead in life. With Page of Cups, definitely some of you have met someone. With Page of Cups, this person has definitely stirred some sort of interest in you. Okay, top card being Hermit, but you are not exactly sure. You could be still treating them like a friend when they are not. Okay, you know that they definitely have your attention, but you know how things are with you. You want to be very sure, when it comes to investing your emotions, this and that. Bottom card we have is a Devil card, so this could have started out of attraction or possible lust. Okay, like give me one more card for Pisces. One more card for Pisces. What are Pisces going through, their mindset currently? Okay, with Queen of Wands, you guys are definitely in your power. I believe you guys are wanting to keep yourself open, but you guys are not initiating that conversation. Even if there's a new person ahead of you, you guys are trying to keep yourself open, but not exactly, completely opening the doors for them. Yes, you might be still open to the connection that's coming towards you, but you won't initiate any sort of action towards them. You would let them, possibly work it out with you. Like when it comes to the past person, I believe you guys are still not sure as to what to do with the past person. You still think about them, you still feel connected to them, but you are not wanting to initiate anything towards them. Okay, neither are you completely entertaining them. The new person, I believe, is entertaining you more than the past person. Okay, like regarding the past person, how are they thinking about you? Regarding the past person, how are they thinking about you? All that you need to know about the past person. I believe with the Magician card, this person is definitely trying to manifest you. This person has been waiting or holding back a lot, but I see them still trying to move things forward with you. With the Magician card, I definitely feel like this person is trying to manifest this connection. If it's the past person, okay, they've been holding themselves back, but I still feel they pray that you guys can still work things out. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you. How do they think about you and their intentions towards you? Pisces who are dealing with a past person. Intentions with Page of Pentacles, for now, I see them starting off on a very small note, like maybe starting the like possibly ending the silence and starting communication. For some of you, this person has been watching you for a long time. In the past, I believe they were trying to manipulate you. This person could have also tried to lie to you or even cheat you in the past with King of Swords in the reverse. Mind you, this readings can go vice versa, very general readings, but yet you guys want to judge them. But yeah, for those who are connecting with a new person, Pisces connecting with a new person, what's their mindset towards Pisces, please? Pisces who are connecting with a new person, I believe they love you, they want you, but the problem is they are trying to possibly seduce you. Okay, I also feel like they are trying to use their good looks or whatever ways to possibly get into your mind, and it's kind of triggering you now. Okay, you do feel stuck to them in some which way, but not exactly in your feelings. Okay, so yeah, in terms of overall, what are Pisces going through with their soulmate? One card for the overall energy from the two of you. Overall, I see Four of Wands. Overall, I see that you both are very focused on getting into a connection that goes forward. Okay, like you guys are not like really wanting to be a part of a fling. Neither do they are, wanting to make you a part of a fling. You both want to build on this. Okay, top card we have is Eight of Wands. So you both want to communicate, but who's going to start it, right? So you might be waiting on them, they might be waiting on you, but I feel they are going to communicate. Okay, they have higher chances of reaching out than you are. Okay, so one card for what's their energy towards you, what's their energy towards you, Pisces. Currently, this person could be stalking you. Okay, they are keeping a watch on you. They could have behaved a bit immature in the past, but still not completely matured up. Page of Swords is a very, very immature card. With Knight of Pentacles, right now they might not be taking any sort of action towards you. In terms of their intentions towards you, one card for their intentions towards you. They want to end the silence for now. Okay, this is not an ending card. They want to end the silence. One card for what action do they want to take towards you now? What action do you want to take? Do you want to stop being part of this dicey situation where they do not know whether they are part of you or whether you are broken apart, whether you are still entertaining them, whether you are walking away? They want to end this balancing game now. They want to make things stable with you. Okay, one more card for how they want to come forward. How are they wanting to come forward? With the Temperance card, I definitely feel they are trying to balance the situation, the connection. They no longer want to be a part of something that they believe is going to get nowhere. They want to get stable with you now. Okay, with Six of Swords, this person could also plan on meeting you in person. So there is a chance that you guys could meet. Okay, one card for what do they have in mind? What do they truly have in mind for Pisces? Okay, they definitely have regrets over the past or like over the things that have happened. They definitely miss you now, and they want to reach out. They definitely want to reach out. Okay, for one card for their current feelings towards you. Their current feelings towards you. How do they truly feel for you now? I believe this person is holding on to you, but when it comes to expressing their feelings, they are not really expressing it. Okay, like what do they truly have for you? What do they truly have for you now? Pisces soulmate. What do they have for you with the Fool card? This person definitely wants to start this relationship all over again. They are very much eager. This are very much different, complete opposite energies. Where Four of Pentacles is an energy where someone wants to hold themselves back, save them like self from rejection or pain. But the Fool card is the complete opposite card. This person wants to take action. This person like wants to possibly take that leap of faith towards you. Okay, so in their heart they very much want this, but their mind or their ego is holding them back. Okay, so what can you expect from this person? How is this person going to come forward? Okay, with Five of Wands, you guys could possibly this person is definitely trying to get your attention. Okay, this could be in a wrong way where they post a picture or they send you some weird snap which you react to. But for now, this person is giving you a silent treatment. Okay, I believe right now they're triggering you. They are giving you the silent treatment. I don't think you're much affected, however, but still, one card for where this is going for now. Where this is going for now for Pisces and their soulmate. With Eight of Pentacles, please give me a clarifier or an add-on card, Spirit. I definitely feel you guys are definitely working on it, but right now you guys are also very focused on your own self. But I do see you both trying to work on things and possibly see that this connection goes ahead. Okay, right now you both are very much giving each other the silent treatment, but I believe they have feelings for you. Okay, they still have feelings for you. If it's the past, if it's a new person, they have a lot of interest, but the ways they are trying to get back is very wrong. Like trying to seduce, trying to get a reaction, trying to give you that silent treatment, some messed up shit. Okay, so one card for what do they want with you now? What do they truly want with you now? With Ace of Swords, they definitely want to start off uh, communication as of now. With the Death card, they want to end the silence. With Nine of Pentacles, if you've been trying to act single and trying to get away from them, they want you to end that drama. They don't want you to act all single around them. Okay, so what exactly do they want together with you? What exactly do they want together with you now? This person is a very passionate individual. One thing they want to have that hope and faith that this could lead somewhere. They still want to believe the fact that this is a connection that's going to go ahead. With the Devil card, they want to also get all sexual with you. Okay, I mean, you guys are very kinky, man. I mean, you guys love that. But you guys are also very emotional, so that kind of could get in the way. So let's see the blockages for now. What's really blocking the connection, Spirit? What's really blocking the connection? What's really blocking the connection? Lying about not having feelings. This person in the past could have possibly lied to you about not having feelings for you. Okay, fed up with this drama, upset. So you guys could have also got very fed up with the this connection getting nowhere. You guys could have got very like pissed off on your person for not like really like giving in their 100%, frustrated for things going this way. Okay, lost interest looking elsewhere. Some of you could have also lost interest in the past person thanks to their weird ways of not opening up about their feelings. You guys could definitely be trying to entertain something new. For many of you, some of you could have felt like you deserve better and this person isn't right for you. Okay, so what this person is wanting to say to you, or what you should be knowing about your person, Pisces. For some of you, I believe in the past, I'll be very honest with you. Okay, the past person could have felt like they were glad that this is over. This wasn't meant for them. Okay, but they could have also felt like a dead end on and off. So the past, I believe, did not have faith that this could get anywhere. So they were very negative about this. But right now, to be very honest, I have. In denial, immature, and lacks depth. Even right now, they are not coming off with a very positive energy. They are coming off very wishy-washy. Okay, lack of passion. So 555. I believe this person doesn't have the needed willingness to work things out with you. If it's the past person, but if it's the new person, they do have a lot of interest. However, they are not taking that first step forward. Okay, I believe for some of you, you could feel if it's a new person that we are so different. I fear that getting in the way. The reason why you could not be entertaining the new person is because you feel like you guys are very different, not your type. Okay, and if it's the past person, I believe many of you, this person won't try harder. Okay, they are definitely trying to fix things with you, but they won't go all the way. Okay, past life connection. For some of you, this the person you consider your soulmate is a past life person, and that's the reason why you guys feel so connected. you won't be single for long is the overall message. So regardless if it's the past or new, I see you moving like ahead in your birthday month, that is Fab end in March. So things are going to work for you. However, you may have to possibly drop one, either the new one or the past one. You can't bloody juggle two things at one time, because that's going to, like not work for you. Okay, so one card of advice for Pisces moving forward. Two of Swords. If you guys get too much about the juggling game and what is right for me, what is wrong for me, you guys might lose both connections. Okay? You guys will have to decide on one thing. Don't be too indecisive. And if it's something that you don't want to entertain, you should possibly draw a line or set your boundaries, so that the past or new person doesn't get in the way. Whoever you do not want, set boundaries. Do not entertain both. Okay, that's your card of advice. So let's take love message from your person. What would your person want to say to you now that they haven't said so far? This person definitely thinks of the past. That I'm getting very strongly. You are on my mind. Okay, what else? We'll have to delay this for some time. So some of them might not be completely in a position to offer you that commitment. My family won't let this happen. For some of you, the family could have got in the way. So yes, what else? Yes, I admit I can't express my feelings. So this was your reading for Pisces for the next couple of weeks. So if it resonated, please consider hitting the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please support the reading as well. The more the likes, I'll be doing more bonus readings at the end of the month. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers. And all those who wish to get a personal done for me, please reach out on my website, and you could book one that fits right for you.